day in the life. You guys want to see a new construction project? So this is a project that we've been working on, and I'm gonna take you guys inside so that you guys can take a look. All right. Hey guys, this is Anthony with AD Designs. We're over here at the La Vista project, and as you can see, we're about to go to sheetrock. So now is when everything starts coming together. I'm so excited to show you guys the final product. You can see right here what the design is gonna look like. So we're actually gonna go ahead and take you guys outside, and guess what? We're actually putting the stucco on right now. So you guys will see the process of that and see everything come together. I'm out here, I'm gonna take you guys through so you can see the progress that we're doing with the stucco. We're out here, we're doing it. This is a day in the life of AD Designs. So we come out, we take a look at the project, we see anything that we need to tweak or anything that we need to nip in the bud so that we can go ahead and get everything all together and built. All right, look at this. Hey guys, we're out here again at a renovation project actually. I want you guys to take a look around and see this is mid-construction phase, so yes, it is loud, but I'm in the master bathroom right now. So you guys just go ahead and take a look. I want you guys to see what's going on here, all right? Hey guys, so that was Randall. I'm so happy for you guys to see it. Again, this is a day, a week in the life of me. So we take a look at projects, we go out on site visits, and we just go ahead and get things all together for the client. Today we had a couple of meetings. So join the group, join the community, visit me on www.admoderndesigns.com. Find me on Instagram, Facebook, everything. Talk to you guys soon.